Yes, sir.
And that's the reason why people, your food always no salt, no pepper, no nothing. I see the reason because les nous acheter season yo, c'est jeter season dans garbage. Tant que nous-mêmes, nous pas get test dans jol nous pas get test bon de manger nous manger. Même zeb nous t'a manger zeb la te goût pour nous. I don't understand white people how you can do that. Et puis c'est maman gouye that's expensive. Parce que toi on les 25 cents. On la jeter dans toilette là. Les toilettes dans season. De toilettes dans season. So why you do that? This is what this season your chicken because your chicken is cold. You giving people salmonella. On va mettre season, on va mettre Maggi, on va tremper dans l'eau, on va couper, on va mettre citron. So the toilet, you put all your ingredients in the toilet. White people, please, far away from me with your garbage. Mais McDonald's, pas faire bullshit ça. C'est le monde blanc. It's a shame on you white people. But si c'est pour bien, t'as mettre everything in the bed. You can faire sweet everything. You can do that for the sugar, but you cannot do for the salt. You cannot do for the pop. You cannot do for the pepper. You cannot do for the piment. Nothing. Ou vi en cabinet mon blanc tout bagage en mauvais. Si yo tout fermé. Mon trompe. Piouk. Et doudou nous n'a pas season, n'a mettre bagage dans toilette. Maman gouya, bagage toi la vie. Listen, don't buy season white people if you're not gonna use it. Give it to the poor people. We know how to do that. We know what to do with that, okay? Because you put it right there. You see that? Shit.
Yeah.